actually never seen one of these before. This is a Quantum Hypercast HC3. Has a very unique feature here. We've got this lever, which regardless of the position of the bail, can open the bail. And there's a lifting mechanism attached to this lever. Comes across, got some forks, which pushes this piece up. This is the actuator right here. And this little, they call it the firing pin right here, also grabs your line so that you don't, it's total one-handed operation. You don't need to use your other hand to open the bail or hold your line. You have full one-handed operation. The mechanism is very complex. There's a lot of extra parts in here, and perhaps that's why it didn't take off, but we've got one here that's a survivor, and it fires beautifully. I like it.